Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Paul Monteaquino, and I'm going to talk about the human respiratory system. Our respiratory system is responsible for bringing air into the body, from which we can get oxygen. It also moves air back out of the body. The exhaled air contains more of our waste gas, carbon dioxide.
Good morning, my name is Carlos Hernandez. I'm going to talk about parts of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of several organs and structures that allow air flow and gas exchange. Nose and nasal passages, they filter the air through nasal airs, and mucus trapping dust and microorganisms. They also warm and moistens you to protect your lower respiratory tract. Pharynx and larynx. The pharynx transports air from the nose and mouth to the trachea, while the larynx, in addition to conducting air, contains the vocal cords, which allow the production of sounds. Trachea. It is a tube reinforced with rings of cartilage that guides air to the lungs. It is lined with cilia that help eliminate particles and mucus. Lungs. They are spongy organs that contain the bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli, where gas exchange occurs. Bronchi and bronchioles. The bronchi branch within the lungs and divide into smaller bronchioles, which distribute air to the alveoli. Alveoli. They are small sacs surrounded by capillaries where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide with the blood occurs.
How do we breathe? Breathing is the process that allows air to be drawn into the lungs and carbon dioxide removed. Inhalation occurs when the diaphragm contracts, moves downward, and expands the lungs, allowing air to enter. Exhalation. The diaphragm relaxes, reducing the size of the lungs and expelling air. This process occurs automatically, controlled by the brain, although we can also consciously regulate in when speaking or singing.
Now let's follow the journey of a breath of air, starting with the moment you inhale. The air enters the body through the nose and the mouth, where it is filtered and warmed. The air then passes through the trachea and the two primary bronchi. These structures are held open by rings of cartilage. Each bronchus then branches many times into bronchioles, terminating at tiny air-filled sacs called alveoli. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The process involved in the exchange of these gases is called diffusion. However, how does the diffusion occur? The carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. The oxygen then moves from inside the alveoli across the walls and into the blood. This oxygen is used for respiration by the body cells.
Good afternoon. My name is Nadia. English. Profession of the respiratory system. The respiratory system has several natural barriers that protect it: nasal airs and mucus, trap ducts, particles, dirt, and microorganisms in the nose, cilia, small hairs in the airways that move mucus outward, removing trapped particles, coughing and sneezing. These are reflexes that help expel irritating particles such as those of dust or germs. These berries are the first line of defense against infections and contaminants.